Is a higher IP rating always better? Not really. When choosing waterproof connectors, what matters most is suitability for the application, not just higher numbers. The IP protection rating consists of two digits. The first digit indicates the level of protection against dust, and the second digit represents the level of protection against water. The higher the number, the stronger the protection. IP67, ideal for humid or outdoor environments such as lighting, home appliances, or car sensors. IP68, designed for long-term underwater use. Perfect for marine exploration or EV power systems. IP6K9K, withstands high pressure, high temperature washing. Ideal for defense, petrochemical, or marine industries. Exceeding actual requirements can increase costs and waste materials. So, don't just chase the highest rating. Choose the right one. GreenCon waterproof connectors meet IP67 and above, delivering stable, reliable connections in across demanding environments.